Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series. Today we are going to learn a very famous topic that is forms, right? Forms in ServiceNow. So when I just click on incident, we come to our personal developer instance. And have you ever wondered that incident in the create new? It's a very easy, like a 2-second task, right? Searching in the menu bar incident and clicking on the create new. But who has configured this incident and who has configured this assigned to me and all? Who has configured? This is the main question, right? How can we configure the form? So all these fields you can able to see, right? This number, caller, category, subcategory, service offering. All these are the fields, and all these fields contain some of the values. So how we can configure the forms in ServiceNow? This is our main topic today. So let's dive into it. First of all, you'll just click on incident, create new. Then in the header of incident, you just right click on it, header, and into that, when you just come into the configure, then you can see three options are there: form builder, form design, and form layout. These three options are three things through which you can configure your form. Mostly will use the form layout and form design, but form builder is also, it's like the new UI or which is for the scoped application. We will get into it in our upcoming videos. So mostly we'll go through the form layout. So when I just click on the form layout, right click, configure, then form layout. When I click on the form layout, you can see here, these are the two list type, right? So these list type is known as the slush bucket, right? Into the slush bucket, at the left hand side, there is all the widgets available, and you can, from the slush bucket, you can just add or you can just remove it. And this is the selected portion, like what all the field values that you have, what all the fields you have selected it to be shown into our form. So you want to show number, caller, category, subcategory, all these fields into our form. So you just add it. But if you don't want to show, for example, you don't want to show contextual search results. So you'll just click on it and go to the remove, then remove it, and then click on save it. If I just click on save, so see the contextual search results disappears, right? Next is how to add any other field. For example, this is the incident number, caller, category. Some of the field you suggest me that what we want to configure. Right now, I just configure any of the field that is risk field from my end. But in the comment, you also tell me what field you want to configure through the form layout. So suppose if you want anything such as assigned to email, the incident which is assigned to that person, you want his or her email. So you can just click on assign to. See, there is like the assign to is the table in which so many fields are there. So it's like is shown as plus. So if you just click on the assign to and expand selected reference field, if you just click on it, then in the assign to incident field, you can see city, class, company, cost center, business phone. All the things are there. And if you want to show, for example, email you want to show, so you just click on the email. This is assigned to person email you want to show on your form. So just click on the email and click on add button and assign to dot email. This is dot walking. Dot walking also I'll let you know. Yeah, and like assigned to, if I just want to keep assigned to email under the assignment group or assigned to, then I can use a move up and move down button. Okay, and then I'll just click on save, right? And into the form, you can see the assigned to is there and the email is there. Assigned to email person is there. Uh, okay, if I just choose a Andrew Och. So andrew.och @example.com. His email ID also appears in the form. Clear? Form layout. Again, we'll click on the form layout. Yeah. If I want to add new field, how can I add new field? This is the form view and section, view name, default view, incident notes, related record, resolution information. All this is the section in which you will be able to add the new field. So I just want to add in the incident only, okay, by using the default view. All these are the views name, workspace, VTV. VTV means a virtual task board, and so assign model. So basically, service operation workspace we use for the in the MIM, right? You remember major incident management, we have a read about a so, right? So in the default view only, I just want to add one another field that is risk. Okay, and I want it. What is the type of the field you want to add it? It will be like integer, general, general input, general list. So basically, work note field is a general. I'll also show you how to see what field type is there. So then there is a list, long password, then percent complete, preference share. So many options you can able to see in the type, time, URL, video, wiki, workflow, string. So risk, I just want to make it as risk 1, 2 or 3. It as a choice. So what I will do, I will choose a choice type and I will click on add. When I just click on add, so risk option I want to show after on hold reason. So what I will